All right, everybody, looking at Intel INTC ticker going into March 19th. We are currently looking at a 4-hour candle. I wanted to show you there's a little consolidation going on into this institutional buy zone in here. This could act as support. What we want to see is that we're going to get higher lows out of this box. Currently, if you're into the moving averages, we are above the 50 still, still intact here. But again, I want you to pay attention to the pivot low here or the control low. We want to make sure even if we dip into this box, as you know, as the box gets violated, it gets weaker and weaker. However, if the buyers in here are strong, what you should see is that we get a higher low out of this box, or potentially you could count this pivot low here. This is it, and then here. And so we don't want to see this control low get beat. And it's really bullish if we can keep this trend going here. Obviously, always going back to trend, uh, two pivots from current price is what we want to be looking at for trend. If we can bounce out of here, I do expect an extension up to the 51st. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my pivot low here. 50 would put you back at 52.14. And again, this is a downtrend. This is a short at the 50. As you can see, this was the first short. So we can look at attacking the 50 for the third time here. So one here and then here and then coming back up here. We should beat this. 61.8 breaks, 52.53. Then we should run into 85% probability of 88.6 being hit. So we'll go ahead and mark this. Don't forget your alerts. If anything, you want to be seeing if we can get up to here, up to the 50. So it's up to you if you want to take this trade up into 52.14. It's only about $1. Your risk here at the box is 50.81 to the backside of 49.91. So roughly about $1 there as well. So it's a 1-to-1 there. And then up to the 88.6, giving you more of a 1-to-2, 1 to 2.5. So I do like to risk the reward in here, but we do want to watch it and then going to a higher time frame on a daily to get even a bigger picture. I'm going to go ahead and paint that for you because that's always important. So we do have a box right here into this buy zone, and this one's pretty deep, guys. So and understand that the higher the time frame, the deeper the box gets. Roughly here at 48. I'm going to bring it right to the top here. And then we 49.11. I apologize. And then to the bottom of the box, give you a little bit of cushion there, 46.86. So about, $2 and some change. This is the strongest. This one is fresh. When candle left here and institutions bought, price has not come back to here. So if we break this box, do expect price to come into this zone. And then I would have to mention you need to set yourself an alert here as well above here because this guy's fresh. If we can get the pushback into here, then we definitely want to be looking for a longer dated call here to get us up to the 88.6 or the 50 going from here to here. You're going to have a nice risk to reward scenario into that. So let's go ahead and set that alarm. It's going to be at or below. And I have it here basically at 49.27. All right, so that's Intel, and we'll break it down going into the day, see if we can get a move back into the box. If this alert goes off, then I will assess the situation and let everybody know what's going on.